Hello, this is Ritu Janjani and you're watching my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something really basic about the skincare in winters. People keep asking me that, how do they take care of the skin in winter, because it's really dry and you feel really dry in your body, on your face, and whether you're applying makeup or no makeup, you want your skin to look nice and glowing. So I'm going to tell you something very basic which you already know. Step number one, which is very important, that you need to drink a lot of water because it's cold, it's winters, and we just keep forgetting that we are thirsty. And we just have a lot of tea and hot stuff, but we forget that we need to kind of hydrate ourselves a lot, and that's one of the biggest reasons why we feel kind of dry, because we are not hydrated enough. So drink a lot of water, like fresh fruits and juices, and they're all cold stuff which we avoid in winters, but you must do that. The very important thing is that if you feel dry on your face, you really need to change your moisturizer, whatever you're using, from the summer to the winter. Like I am using this like from Clinique. It's a gel based moisturizer for my summer. So in winters I would just move to like a lotion of the same brand, and it's more thicker, it does not dry off very quickly, and it's creamy, it stays on my face longer. So I would always want to use a moisturizer like that. Make sure it has SPF, so it protects you from skin, and also your whole face does not dry off so quickly. So guys, step number two, which is very important, is that you have to change your moisturizer from the gel. If you're using a gel for summer, you have to go to using a lotion found moisturizer, because that's very important. It stays on your skin longer, it's creamier, and make sure it has SPF at least 15 in it, which also protects your skin from sunburn or whatever. Moisturizer, because that's very important. It stays on your skin longer, it's creamier, and make sure it has SPF at least 15 in it, which also protects your skin from sunburn or whatever, which you can get in winters too. The third very important thing which we always ignore is our lips. We really need to exfoliate our lips in winters at least once. And how you do it, you can just, I'm going to tell you like a home remedy which you can do. You can mix sugar and lemon together and just rub it on your lips. It just scrubs off the extra, and you just feel that the lips are more supple, and it's great. You can also use your toothbrush to exfoliate your lips. Just when you're brushing, after you finish it, just rub your toothbrush on your lips, and you get exfoliated lips, which is really good, because you just kind of don't want to have flakes, which you definitely get chapped lips in winters. So that, and use a lip balm, anyone you prefer, also with SPF will be great. So that'll also protect your lips. And for your body, I would say that whenever we take a shower, and in winters we definitely want to take a hot shower, so our pores are kind of open, and that's the time when you come out of the shower is when you want to apply the moisturizer. So just keep your moisturizing lotion very handy, because you really want to use that before you go to after you come out from the bath, and also before you go to bed, so that when you wake up in the morning you have supple and softer skin. So that's what you can do to take care of yourself in winters, and just keep glowing and look nice. So I hope you like my video, and if you have any questions and any queries, and you're looking at any video which you want me to do, any particular look or anything, any of your skin concerns, also you can always write to me and leave a comment right down here in the comment box, and I will come back and do that video for you. Thank you very much for watching me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and keep looking great. Thank you very much. Bye bye.